Welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is create checklists for tasks. Checklists are a great way to keep track of items, tasks, or steps that need to be completed. You can use the built-in checklist tool to create and assign a checklist. Let's look at how to create and assign a checklist. Open Google Chrome and click the waffle to the left of your profile picture, and then click Docs. Click on blank to open a new Google Doc. To start a new checklist, click on the checklist box on the toolbar. Type a list of items that need to be completed by an individual. Keep in mind that you can also change a pre-existing list of tasks or items into a checklist by highlighting the list and clicking the checklist button. To assign a task to an individual or group, click the plus sign to the left of the task. In the pop-up, click on the assignee field and start typing the name of the person or group. Click the person's name. You can assign a date if you wish, and then click Assign Task. If the individual or group does not have access to the document, a pop-up window will appear to share the document. Make sure that Share with People is selected if you have that option, and that the appropriate level of access is assigned to the group or individual. And click Share. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.